The old treatment plant, we were at the mercy of how clean the water was in the river. We were pumping a lot of water through the filters, and they just could not clean themselves properly. Once a new treatment plant was decided upon, we had to make sure we could get the water from the South Saskatchewan River up to a brand new treatment plant. So we started with the buildings down there, new pumps, new generator, new traveling screen, new everything. The next phase was a new pipeline. So now we have two lines coming from the river, which doubles our capacity. The third phase was the actual treatment plant. It was quite a dramatic change from what we were used to. Technology is so more advanced than what we're used to. How the system works here, the water gets pumped up from the South Saskatchewan River. It enters our treatment plant. We dose it with the chemicals that will be needed before clarification and during clarification. The water is then transferred through a mixing chamber and into a clarifier. The clarifier that we have built here is called the super pulsator. We have to do daily tests on to find the happy medium for removing the sludge, the silt, the sand, the turbidity. Our water is then collected into an effluent tank that decides how hard the pumps at the river have to work. From the effluent tank, the water is then pumped through two strainers. The strainers will take out any larger pieces of debris, silt, sand that make it through the clarifier. The water is then pumped into the membranes. We used to work on gravity sand filters, very similar to your Brita filter that you have in your house. What we have now is a membrane system, which is a rubber straw that the water is forced through. And the straw has holes in it, but not big enough for any bacteria, any dirt, any turbidity to go through. We talk in NTUs. Our government approval says we have to be 0.30 or better. Here we are 0.004 to 0.009 coming off the membranes now. That's amazing how clean the water is that is going out to the town now. After it goes through the membranes, it is disinfected, chlorine is added, and then the water is pumped into a clear well, which is just our storage. And from the storage tank, we then distribute to the town with 5 VFD pumps. The whole concept is very mind-boggling, actually, going from where we came from to where we are today. Our plant now is one of the more state-of-the-art plants you will find in North America. Not too many places have what the town of Redcliff has right now.